Hello everyone, I'm back again. Welcome to our kitchen. Today is a coffee day. Don't take me wrong, I'm not making coffee yet. One of my favorite sweets ever with a mind-blowing coffee flavor. You can serve them with your tea or coffee. As always, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. The significant point of these sweets is to put them in the fridge for half an hour before you bake them. For the next video, I'm making a vegetarian dish. So stay tuned until the next video. Have fun!